Kia ora tamariki, kia ora whanau. Te wiki o te reo Māori. Ko te ara tēnā rā. What day is it today? Ko te Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Korero mai, ko te Wednesday. Ka pai tamariki, ka pai whanau. So, ako for today, we are going to learn, ako, teaching, learn, te pūtaka Māori. That's the alphabet, okay? So, we're going to look at our a, e, I, o, u. But before that, we're going to sing, alright? And do our actions. Toru, pa. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Pico, 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 toro. Pico, toro. Toro, 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 pico, toro. Ano. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Pico, 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 toro. Pico. Toro, 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 pico, toro. Paki paki tamariki ma, you did so well. Well done. Alright, so here we're going to look at, let's have a look. Here we're going to look at, and you're going to korero back to me. So we're going to look at a. Korero mai. A. Korero mai. Ka pai tamariki. Now we're going to look at e. Korero mai. E. Ka pai tamariki. E. I. I. Ka pai korero. I. Well done. O. Use your mouth. Open up your mouth and sound out. O. Korero mai. Ka pai tamariki. And U. Korero mai. U. Ka pai tamariki. So we're going to put that all together and it sounds like A. Korero mai. E. Ka pai. Oopsie. Upside down. I. O. And last one. U. So remember if I folded the song and the actions, so I'm sorry my E's a bit crooked, but it needs to actually go, straight, like a E. So it is a, korero mai, a, e, so do your actions, supposed to be a E, a, e, I, which is a I. Put your hands up. Ka pai tamariki. A, e, I, o. So it's a circle. O. It's a circle. And U. Yeah, well done. Okay, so do it together with 5-4. A, kapai. E, I, O, U. Pico, 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 toro, pico, cani, cani, toro, 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 pico, toro, ano, a, e, I, O, U, a, e, I, O, U. Pico, 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 toro, pico. Toro, 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 pico, toro. Paki, Pakita Bariki. Well done, Paki Paki Tefano as well, who has joined us. And so, Tamariki, what I want you to do is keep singing your song A, E, O, U with mom and dad. You'll find out at home and be safe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Norera. Tēnā koutou. Tēnā koutou. Tēnā tātou katoa. Ka kite anō.